First of all, thanks for inviting me. By the way, I'm Saket Kumar, and I'm working as a research scientist for the Next Energy project at University of Calgary. Meanwhile, I'm studying for my master degree by research, majoring in petroleum engineering with 100% scholarship at the University of Calgary. And I'm incoming PhD student for the Stanford University starting from January 2021. And apart from that, I did my bachelor degree from India, and that was majoring in like petroleum engineering as well. And as far as this coronavirus is concerned, me being a researcher, the biggest impact that I am facing is that everything has been delayed. I was thinking that I'll get graduated by this time, but no, I cannot because I'm not able to complete my thesis. I cannot able to work anywhere. So that's the problem. Our degree completion will be delayed, just because of the coronavirus. And a part of that, as you know, oil industries are always sensitive to this such kind of impacts. So this is a very tough time for the oil industry. So that is the thing. Economics are effective for all the countries, even for India as well. So I think this is the biggest impact that I am seeing for the coronavirus. However, for the students, for the intake and all, I don't think so that it's gonna affect it a lot, because now North American education system, including Canada and the United States, they come out with the new technology called the online education, right? So they are giving you classes based on the online, I don't know, right? But based on my understanding, for a graduate students who is coming for North America, I think this online education system is not that good, because as far as I also did my bachelor degree from India, and the biggest drawback that I have observed in India is the facility. And that facility is something related to the beauty, called the software skills, you know and the practical knowledge of your stream and your majors. So I think when you come to North America, the biggest beauty of North America education system is the facilities, and that you are able to utilize. Let's say, for an example, if you are taking any course, let's say I'm not a mechanical engineer, but let's take an example for the mechanical engineer stuff. If you are working on a fluid mechanics, so you have to work on some of the technology called, like, the fluid mechanics comes non-Newtonian fluid system. So sometimes you do the numerical modeling and you use different types of softwares. In India you hardly get that software, but if you're taking that course here via online, I don't think so you are able to learn it in that way as you used to get it, right? As you can get it, you're not able to get all those things, right? So that is the drawback of this COVID-19 on the all the prospective students. But apart from that, I think North America, they are good at this, you know for giving the lectures and all, and for providing education. So I don't think so that the intakes are going to get impacted just because of COVID-19. For Canada, I think government is doing very good. They have lots of plans. Let's say many of the students, they are looking for the summer jobs during summer term, right? But I don't think so for the graduate student there is any summer jobs or for the internship, because they are not legally allowed to work in Canada more than 20 hours even during the summers, because they are the full-time student as well at that moment, so they cannot do that. But for the bachelor degree student and some of the universities like University of Alberta and Toronto, they are providing this, they are allowing their students to do the summer jobs during summer term. So whosoever have already got this opportunity called as summer internship and all the summer internship have already been cancelled, as you know that. So what the government is doing, as they know, because majority of the graduate students, they are doing part-time jobs to support their education, to support their living expenses. So government of Canada comes with the new, I don't know, this is called serve, is a emergency benefit, I don't know, is they're providing is like $2,000 a month, right? So I think that is enough for a student to sustain in North America. So this is the good thing, that government is helping them out, and government are, they are giving many things so that no one will get impacted. Time, and I think pursuing degree from the abroad is always a kind of dream come true for any of the Indian student, and for any of the student from different countries, right? And it become more better, I don't know, when it comes to like when you are achieving your dream university, when you are going to get your dream university, and at this time, and if you are not able to make it to your dream university even after getting your offer letter, it will be worst. So I think nothing is going to get impacted because of COVID-19. I think if they come to know, okay, let's see, after 6 or 7 months, if it's gonna be stabilized, this COVID-19. So I think they can start taking their courses online from the home, and after one semester they can get into the university, like with the physical presence, so they can pursue their degree from there as well.